Keep walking. Legal custody of the child. Legal custody of the child. Zero income. Zero income. You don't know anything. Billy Hope, I know that you're mad at me right now. Leila Hope, you don't know anything. School administrator, she doesn't want to see you today. Billy Hope, tell her I love her. I'll give you my everything. I'll give you my everything. How'd you like to fight for that title? How'd you like to fight for that title? You can't fight like that anymore. You can't fight like that anymore. You gotta let her hate you. You gotta let her hate you.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.